Hi, we're going to try the new Ninja Foodie XL Smart Grill again. We tried it last night. We didn't show you. We made some steak. Here's a picture. Ooh, doesn't that look good? It was good. Huh. It was done perfect. Well, how we like it anyway. Today we have some leftover Easter ham. Look at it. We couldn't eat it all. What do you think? So, I also have some, I wanted to make pizza, so I'm going to make pita pizza. Air fry style. Air crisp. We call it air crisp over here. And some leftover ham. Let me dice this ham up quick. Quick enough. This is so easy. Here, let me just do it here. Is that all right? Let's see. You want one too?
Sure. Can you make me one too?
Yeah. Leftovers, you know? We took a little nap. Had a nice dinner. I was going to take pictures and video of it, but we were so busy. I know you won't see it, but you know, we got to take a break once in a while. Look at this. Looks like a nice big cracker, doesn't it? And then I thought, do we have any crust or dough that we can make a nice leftover pizza? And we decided on these. A little bit of sauce. Whatever kind of sauce you have laying around. Leftover sauce, maybe. Spread it around with your ladle. Oh, you ruined another spoon. Is that okay? Ooh, chunky tomato, too. 3 cheese. Prego. And that is blue. We tried so many times to peel that coating off of there. It's not coating, but we know what you mean about that. Sometimes they have a sticky protective colored coating on there, plastic or something. Is that enough sauce? There's more in that one than that one. You like the more or the less?
More. Always more, never less.
Okay. This one still got more. Mozzarella. Fella. I knew I had some. Whole milk mozzarella. Mozzarella. Ricotta. Hope you're having a nice holiday weekend. We are. Ready to go back to the old grind. Oh, stop reminding yourself. Right? How much you like?
That's good.
We could put 3 cheeses on here.
That's good.
Just like that?
Uh-huh.
More?
No.
And ham. Half here and half here. Oh, that's going to be good. See, whatever you got left over. We're going to have ham sandwiches, but I think I'll have them twice this week at work. With mustard and cheese, probably. Maybe a little mayo. Little oregano. Pizza it up a little bit. I preheated it on air crisp. I just turned it off so you could hear me a little better. But it's hot in there. And I'm going to go probably for 5 minutes. What do you think? Right on the grill plate with the fancy swirly cyclonic shapes in there. You see it okay?
I'm going to come up closer.
Come on up. It's sizzling already. How's that look? Beautiful. I hear a little sizzle. I don't know if you can, but it's hot, believe me. And we're going to choose air crisp. It's set for $3.90. I'm going to leave that and I'm going to go 5 minutes. And if 5 minutes isn't enough, we'll go longer, but I'm pretty sure it will be. Okay, start. I already preheated it. Oh, it's preheating again. Look at this. Get out of there. Add food. See, it knows it's preheated. Okay. There, I added food. It's a smart oven. This works like a chimney up here. I just seen a puff of smoke come out of there when I opened and closed that, watch. Anyway. Think that's gonna be long enough? It smells good. Time to eat, you know that. It's time to eat. I wonder if it'll blow the cheese around like some of our other air fryers. Let's take a peek quick, alright? You know how they blow loose things around? Well, let's see. No! Cheese ain't blowing. Starting to melt though, I saw that. Almost time. Oh, 2 minutes left. You know, if this was raw dough, it would definitely take longer. We might even get the dough halfway cooked and then put the toppings on. Flip it over, you know. But this is gonna be good, I think. Sure smells good already. Less than a minute remaining. 10 seconds. I hear some bubbling or crunching going on in there. Maybe the fat of the ham is sizzling. Oh, alright, end. Is it gonna cool down like our other ones or just end? Just end. Is everybody ready? First pizza in my new Ninja Smart air fryer. Oh, look at, isn't that nice? That's what that little popping is, the little grease of the ham. Oh boy, are they both the same? Are they both your ones?
They're both the same.
Both the same. Oh man, it smells so good.
They look wonderful.
Yeah, how about that? Take a peek at the bottom if we can. Oh yeah. Perfect. Should I just roll that up and eat it like a big
No.
yum?
I want mine sliced like a
Oh, it
pizza.
smells so good. You know when you have leftovers after a holiday meal? We were going to have a plate of potatoes and ham again, corn and all that, but no. Look at that. Well, you know what? You should have put pineapple on there. Is that a thing that everybody hates? I
I
forget.
thought about it, but I thought you don't like that, so.
But, you know, I used to work at Domino's and that was a thing. And
Yep.
it smelled good, but I wasn't a big fan. And I know that's a big controversy. I want to remind you about the temperature probe. Fits right in here in the side, see? See? Of course, we're not going to use that for a pizza crust, but we used it for our steak. And it plugs in here like a jack, you know? Then you clean it off, roll it up, and pop it right there, like that, see? Isn't that nice? We like it so far, don't we?
Hey, we showed them our ham. Show them how we ate our pineapple today.
What do you mean?
Cake.
Oh, is it still here?
Yep.
Oh, somebody put limes in it. Who did that?
You did.
Look, she made that. She made this and smaller ones. If somebody wanted to take one home. Yeah, I just threw these in there to be funny. But that was pretty good too. I like it all except the fruit. The crust is good, crunchy and sweet, buttery. All right, let's do something with these pizzas. You want it cut, you said, right?
Yep.
Like, oh, look, like this?
Yeah, like
In
4
fours?
pieces.
Okay.
That'll be nice.
May the fours be with you. It's gonna be hot.
How do you want to eat yours?
Maybe just in half. What do you think? Yeah, I think in half. Look at that. But I want to let it cool. I want to enjoy it. I know you want to see me take a bite. Maybe. So this is a nice thing, isn't it? Mm-hmm.
Boy, that was quick and easy.
Yeah, and I guessed at 5 minutes. So if the dough was raw, we would maybe
Preheat it more.
do it on one side, flip it over, and then put the toppings on like we do on the grill outside, right?
Yeah, that makes sense.
All right, let's back up and get a bite. Okay, remember that was leftover Easter ham and a pita pizza in the Ninja Foodie Smart XL Grill. Ooh, 15 mouth-watering recipes. Mouth-watering. Oh, they got a pizza on there. I didn't even see that. See that? Fancy spinach or something like that. And a hamburger. Think we could do a whole chicken in here?
We can.
Cyclonic grilling. Cyclonic grilling technology. Smart cook system. No guesswork, see? You just say what you want it to be and it is. Just like I did with the pizza. No, there's a lot of presets in there. And settings for your steak, medium, well, rare. But last night we just did a temperature, right? We didn't know there was all the settings for rare, medium well.
We told it what temperature we wanted it to cook to, and then it cooked until it was done.
Oh, here we go. See the bottom? Can you see it okay? Man, it's perfect. Mmm. Mmm. Man, that's perfect. I'm glad I thought of that. I did think of it, huh? Yours is going to be good. It's just right temperature now. I talked long enough to make it good. I got your flowers. We hope your day was good. Hope your weekend was better. Have a nice week coming up. Try this if you have an air fryer like this, or whatever air fryer you have. Even put it on bread, right? But it's good like this. All right, take care. Let me throw a bouquet at you. Please subscribe. Stop back soon. Whoa, almost. Should we make some more, maybe? We can make a couple more. All right, bye. Mmm.